Today I'm going to give you a sneak peek of this incredible property in Weston, Connecticut. I promise you will not be disappointed. Let's go take a look. The owner has lived here since about 1967. He has art installations all over that are just exquisite. A 12-car garage with an incredible car collection. And everywhere you look, there's just something amazing. Look how extraordinary this is. It's filled with so many memories and incredible stories. It's on 2 acres in Lower Weston. There is a pool, and it's a beautiful street with multi-million-dollar homes. Here we are stepping into the library. And here is his artist studio. Everywhere you look, there's something amazing. And here is the chef's kitchen, fully functioning. And this goes into one of the living areas with a fireplace below and above us. This amazing aquarium. And we're gonna step inside the solarium right here. Look how wonderful this is. And out back, there is the swimming pool. The upper level has even more memorabilia and a working fireplace, a wraparound deck, and we'll head right into the beautiful primary suite, which is through these glass doors. As we step inside, you'll see his Caribbean-themed dressing area and bathtub, lots of coconut heads, and then we'll step right inside his primary bedroom with a wraparound porch. As you can see, tons of natural light, high ceilings, and his Corvette bed. How cool is that? And from up here, you can get a view of the garage again. We'll go back out here so you can see the full room. It's very spacious and is just waiting for its next owner.